Look at this beautiful view. This is very amazing. You can see there are a lot of people trying to play football. It's uh, far away from here. I mean, beside the other side on the river, and I'm here on the boat. Someone trying to fix his machine. I think he can do that by himself, and you can see there are a lot of people beside the river walking and enjoying this beautiful nature. If I turn my camera on other side, you can see there are a restaurant on water. If you want to come here, you can eat on this hotel. Okay, also you can see people gathering here to want to enjoy the ride on the speedboat, and also you can see a boat for far. Okay, I'm here sitting enjoying this beautiful view and looking and flowing water and breathing freshly air. Okay, this place is amazing. I really want to sit here. I came here alone because no one want to